original songs. Right now, I think it's obvious na yung music industry and OPM itself is at an all-time high.
What's your advice to parents who are doubtful of letting their children join singing contest? So we're talking to the parents this time. Oh, yung parang medyo siguro, huwag na dyan, anak. Mamaya, nakakapagod lang yan, matatalo ka dyan, maraming kalaban. Yung mga ganon, mga pessimist. Angge, ikaw? Hello? Sweet.
Sa mga nanay, joke lang. Kasi kahit ako naman, may mga naririnig din ako dati ng mga ganyan na, huwag ka nang sumali sa ganyan. Alam mo yun? Siguro masasabi ko lang sa mga parents po, sana kung ano man yung gusto ng mga anak ninyo at lalo kung gusto nilang kumanta, sana ibigay natin yung 101% natin na suporta. Kasi katulad ko po, nung nakita ko yung mga nag-audition dito sa Idol Kids Philippines, mas iba yung performance nila kapag alam mong sinusuportahan sila ng mga magulang nila. Yung buong-buo siguro yung sa isip nila, sa puso nila, alam nilang hindi sila nag-iisa.
Walang fear,
Yes,
walang doubts.
nawawala yung takot, alam mo yun. So, para sa kanila, mas nagiging matapang sila.
Right.
Mas niyayakap nila yung mga pangarap nila na kung anong maging gusto nila paglaki nila. So, for me yun lang. Kasi kami nga ni Miss Reg, minsan pag nag-uusap kami, bilang nanay, siguro yun talaga yung kailangan nating gawin na ibigay natin yung suporta talaga natin sa mga anak natin kung ano man yung gusto nilang gawin.
What's ours?
Actually, maganda yung pinanggagalingan ng sinabi ni Ate Angge. It's nice to have the parents support the kids, but what I don't like seeing is the other way around. Sobrang nakakalungkot para sa akin kapag merong isang 8-year-old, ba't ka sumali ng Idol Kids para pumatulungan ng magulang ko? Why? Let the kids be kids. The kids deserve to be children. Bago kayo mag-anak, mag-ipon muna kayo. Right? So, like, wala lang. It's just sad. It's just sad to see na parang...
In some areas kasi in life, yun ang realities ng
Yun na nga
buhay.
eh.
And
wala
kids
lang.
are, those kids see that. But we get your point.
Yeah.
Pero may ganun talagang realidad.
No, parang wala lang. Nakakalungkot lang na parang at 8 years old, you're already thinking
Tama.
about that.
Tama.
It would be nice to just...
Have fun,
Have fun,
play around,
diba?
di ba?
Exactly.
Oo.
No, I get the hardships of life. I come from that. But hopefully, that's something that I want to see.
We can
all.
change it.
Diba?
Yeah.
Sa next season.
That's a
Sorry,
good
kumama
reminder.
na.
It's a good
Sorry.
reminder for all the parents, watching us. Ganun sana yung mindset na i-instill sa mga kids. Let them just have fun and enjoy their talents, di ba? Shania, message to the kids.
Yeah,
and to the
to
parents.
I agree nga na iba talaga yung aura ng mga bata if they know that their family is supporting. Pero at the same time, tama yung sinabi ni Kuya Robbie kanina na when it comes to this competition, it's either win or learn. There's no losing talaga, which is true talaga. And even me, kahit hindi din ako nanalo sa Idol season ko, ang dami ko din learnings talaga that I got from that season.
Anong year yun?
2019. Yeah, it's Idol Philippines Season 1 dito sa ABS. Yeah. So, ang dami kong nakuhang learnings from that season. Kahit hindi din ako yung nanalo. But at the same time, having, your family, your parents to really be there and kasi parang when you're a kid, how can you believe in yourself when your support system is your parents? So at the same time, if you know that your parents believe in you 100%, ikaw maniniwala pa din sa sarili mo. And then, so, ayun. So, of course, everything in life is a learning experience as long as your kids are having fun.
Okay.
And are enjoying themselves. And iba din talaga yung performance nila. I was watching the auditions also. Iba talaga yung auditions kapag na-enjoy yung mga bata sa
We
performance.
can't wait to watch that on
Yes.
June 28. Ang second question ni Hannah is for Ate Reg and Kuya Gary. As one of the leading forces of OPM, what are the qualities you admire in the current generation of singers?
Kasi ngayon usang-uso yung mga singer-songwriters. Gustong-gusto ko yun. Kasi nung panahon namin, maraming mga songwriters, pero they don't sing or kahit kumakanta sila, hindi nila pinapakanta sa hindi nila kinakanta yung mga kanta nila, kinakanta ng ibang tao. And I asked my husband about it kasi feeling niya, when you're a songwriter, you're not necessarily a vocalist, although I beg to, I disagree because there are, like him, I think he's a really great vocalist. But meron kang parating fear na, maganda sana tong kanta to, but I don't think I can sing it. Meron ka ganun. Oo, meron ganun. So, natutuwa ako na ang dami ngayong singer-songwriters na wala sila masyadong inhibitions, na wala masyadong fear. Basta, ito, sinulat ko, kakantahin ko to. Wala akong pakialam sa inyo lahat. Di ba? So, nakakatuwa yan. Kasi ako, I'm just an interpreter. Eh. Hindi ako talaga sumusulat ng kanta. Like Gary. Gary also writes songs. I can't. I won't even try it.
Try mo na!
No, it's not, hindi ko yung talent. Doon ako
Okay.
sa pagiging interpreter. Kaya ng powers ko yun. So, doon ako maraming hinahangaan.
Okay.
Na ang dami. As a matter of fact, I always would encourage them to keep writing kasi ibang klaseng talent yun. Hindi lahat meron nun.
It's a gift.
Yeah, it's a gift.
It's a gift. It's an art, Kuya Gary.
You know, I'd like to talk a little bit about Idol Philippines Season 2. Hindi Idol Kids, but Idol Philippines. Kasi yung mga hopefuls na kumanta, siguro mga 60 to 70% were songwriters. So we would have to remind each other, guys, this is a singing contest, hindi songwriting contest. Kasi we would make them do a sample of their... So you have young performers like Maki, or you have young performers like SB19 and Beanie. I mean, sila yung mga headlights ng OPM ngayon. Kung saan papunta ang OPM, sila ang pinaka-top of the top. You know? And it's so good to see na ang daming mga tagahanga na kahit anong genre na meron ngayon ang OPM, there are people supporting. And I just smile when I see the charts or when I hear the songs online, and parang it makes me feel na the Filipino, truly, the Philippines is the breadbasket of talent in all of Asia. And I have to say that with 100% conviction that what I'm saying is true.
Saka ang swerte ng generation today, there's so many platforms, di ba?
So many platforms, at saka yung tao, open na open sa...
Yeah.
It's not anymore about, ay, dapat katunog yung song mo, dapat katunog ni ganito.
It's true.
No, it's, kung maganda ang kanta mo, may makikinig, magkakaroon ka ng maliit na community, and then it grows into something else. So, it's exciting lang for these young ones in Idol Kids Philippines na in the course of time, dadaan din sila sa ganon.
Exciting. And it begins on June 28. Thank you for all your questions sa ating mga friends of the press. Thank you so much. Maybe
Salamat, everyone.
let's get now to wrap things up. Why should we watch